Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to make our own bread, the first one, and stay tuned and watch how I make this simple but delicious bread. Thank you. Here we have our flour, we have margarine, milk, yeast, sugar and salt. Just a pinch of salt I'm going to add. We'll begin by combining our recipe and start the baking. 1 cup, that is the cup I'm using. You can use any cup you feel like. And all we'll be needing here today is just 2 cups. Then we add our milk. When it comes to face, do you shy away? Would you regret holding your breath if you died today? And what's the purpose of this life if you ain't sharing it? If only I could see what's hidden in the pages of that notebook you write in. It must be romances. Adding our sugar, I'm going to add the measurement of all the recipe in the description box. And here is our salt. We keep dancing that same dance, so tell me you. Mix all the dry ingredients together until well combined. Every single day, and that will never change. As long as I'm still breathing. Then you add water bit by bit. Please don't add your water at once. Then mix until it forms a dough. You don't need to play safe. Used to dream about it, now it's keeping me awake. Shit, pleasure turning into pain. Can't you see I'm hurting? I'm certain I've been on your brain. Then I'll be adding more water and continue kneading until I get my desired dough. As you can see, our dough is formed. And now I'm going to be adding the margarine as I'll be stretching the dough to make sure I get a smooth and stretchy dough. As you can see, I'm making this bread without having a mixer. It's very good. We should be creative in our own ways. Whether oven or not oven, you can still make bread. You can also bake meat pie. You can bake your cake locally by using firewood or charcoal. I have made cake and also meat pie on a stove sometimes back before having my oven. So you cream your plate, add your dough and cover it to rest for like 1 hour. 1 hour later, it has doubled in size. You punch it and allow the air out. Now I'm going to coat my pan. I'm using this cake pan. I'm going to coat it with margarine and some flour to avoid sticking or burning of the bread. Picking petals for a sign of hope. One left, I'm scared to know. It goes me and you. We keep dancing that same dance, so tell me you are falling the same way I fall in love. Next, I will be cutting my dough into the size or shape of bread that I want. If you are watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with friends. And to my returning subscribers, I say thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate it. Thank you. Used to dream about it, now it's keeping me awake. Shit, pleasure turning into pain. Can't you see I'm hurting? I'm certain I've been on your brain, no question about it, that's a given. Love is what you make it, mine has got no expiration. Stranger in the streets, but we be fucking on occasion. Leaving X's and Y's in my equation. It goes me. I'm done cutting it. The next thing now is to transfer it into a pan and cover it to rest again for about 1 hour. It has doubled in size and set for baking. Transfer it into the oven and allow it to bake for about 30 to 45 minutes. Now our bread is ready. and the aroma coming from this bread is something else. It smells so nice. The bread is soft, nice, and my children so much like the bread. They couldn't wait to have a taste of it. It was a nice one and we really love it. You can give this a try at home and I know you will love it. Bye bye.